Hi there! Welcome to SEL Storytime with Counselor Keri. Let's get ready for another story. Sometimes I feel sad. There are so many feelings. All of my feelings are okay. Sometimes I feel sad. It's okay to feel sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes. Sad is a feeling we have when things don't go our way, or when someone hurts our feelings with their words or actions. Sad is a feeling we have when we miss someone, or when others leave us out or don't listen to what we have to say. It's okay to feel sad. When I feel sad, I can use my words or thoughts to help myself feel better. I can think or say, better days are coming. I can think or say, I have people who care about me. I can think or say, I can try again next time. I can think or say, it's okay to ask for help. When I feel sad, I can use my actions to help myself feel better. I can do something that I enjoy, like drawing, building, or dancing. I can do something with someone I care about, like play with a friend, get a hug from my grown-up, or snuggle with my pet. I can do something kind for someone. When I'm kind to others, it helps me feel happier too. Everyone feels sad sometimes. It's okay to feel sad. We can use our words, thoughts, and actions to help ourselves feel better. What helps you feel better when you feel sad? Be sure to subscribe for more SEL Storytime favorites.